before I begin to pull down this your house, what follow? Come out here! Again, ma!
What is it? Why are you shouting?
He said what? Something that worry for her. Did the man? When did make you touch my mama? My mama and your mates?
You slapped me.
You won't collect another one? You won't collect another bad one? Something that worry you?
Did you come to fight me in my own husband's house?
Which husband? Eh? The husband where you keep. Say make I warn you for the very last time, eh? Any day I see this or two left leg for that land again, eh? I will use injection. Finish your life. I will show you fight. Yeah, show me. I will show you.
What is happening here? Wait, what is happening here? Eh? Leave me alone. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list in this community. Leave.
Wait till they see. Wait till my eye they see so. Eh? So now you, eh? Now you they give this one moral, eh?
God punish you.
When they make them talk to my mama anyhow, God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
Sacrilege. Sacrilege.
Not for
Leave.
Stop. Oh, I don't go. What you go do? I don't go.
Leave here now.
I go do. I have a phone to you. No problem. You see una? What you want to do? What do you want to do?
no problem. Just wait for me.
Hey.
Wait for me. You will hear from me very soon.
Hey.
You will hear from me very soon.
Now this is one that they do, eh? Now this is one that they do.
Hey.
No problem.
Who is it asking to come out? Eh?
Why will they leave her to don't fight you like that?
Leave her to do what? Look at you.
It's okay.
You can't even wear your clothes. Eh? Who asked you to come out?
It's okay now.
Just leave me. Don't touch me again.
Hey.
Look at the way.
Waiting be that nonsense where you talk now, because I hear him.
Chikamsi, I wasn't talking to you.
Now me you they talk to. I hear him. But I won't make you tell me to my face, say waiting you talk. Talk him again.
Chikamsi, please, it's okay.
Okay, waiting. Make she talk him, you should be woman.
Wait, Chikamsi. And if I don't say it, what will you do?
What will you do, you village nurse? I be village.
Yes, you are.
I be village.
Yes!
No problem. If I be village nurse, your papa na village she-goat. Your mama, village she-goat. You, she-goat plus a shower. What thing you dey do for school? Woohoo! It is that we don't know. Anyway, I don't get time to talk to you. But everybody, I dey tell you, everybody for this village, I go tell them what your papa do. Your papa go kill Zube, make him for taking wife. Yeah? It is that we don't know. Woo! All of us don't find that. You don't see them? Best of the same feathers. Now they fly together. Woo! 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 You don't see your life?
What's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of what? Just up your mouth to the crate and they talk, something worry you for head. Something that worry you.
Chikamsi, do you know the person that is mad here? The person that is mad is you!
Eh? You're very crazy and you're very shameless. And I repeat, you're a shameless villager.
Put on me, Messi, Kunyala. Put on me, Messi, Kunyala.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.